This is a tourniquet. You can see the top part here that the Velcro threads through. You've got a bar or a key that we twist to tighten it up, and this is where the bar or key clicks in and gets locked in with this Velcro. So tourniquets are for catastrophic bleeds of a limb, so an arm or a leg. You place it around the leg or the arm and thread the Velcro through. Pull it nice and tight, but that's not going to stop the bleed yet. We then get the key and we turn it, and that tightens a tourniquet. It will be quite painful because we're going to be on fresh skin above the wound, and we keep tightening it until the bleeding stops. We then lock the key in and pop the Velcro across, right in the time in there. Now, where we put this tourniquet is important. It does work better on a single bone, so an upper leg or an upper arm. But if the bleed is very low on the limb, it would be good to move it below the elbow or the knee, because the more of the leg will then be saved. Now, if we haven't got a tourniquet, although they are popping up in lots of different places now, like bleed pouches, in bleed kits and boxes, they're carried by the armed police, paramedics and firefighters. But if we have a thick belt or something similar, it must be thick and not thin, we can also wrap that around the limb and pull it very, very, very tight until the bleeding stops, and that would be a good improvisation. So that's a tourniquet, and they're for catastrophic, life-threatening bleeds.